On June 3, 2023, Ewing, New Jersey police were dispatched to marshals on a report of a shoplifting that occurred. Loss prevention already had the shoplifter detained. Here is what occurred.
What's up, man? Good.
You alright?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Do I look fine?
No. That's why I'm asking.
She ain't taking it.
No, come on.
Right there?
Yeah, that's all right.
Tatiana?
No, that's my girl.
Yeah.
There's another one. No, she just got the stuff there and just left. Yeah, the one with the hoodie that she was calling, that was her.
Yeah,
the
we had,
blanket lady.
yeah, blanket lady.
No, we got the other one in here.
I'm not here for you, but I was making sure you were good. Yes, sorry.
Thank you.
Well, it looks like the company has called the police. They can see us from the camera there, so they're prosecuted.
You mind if we switch
I'm
through?
not gonna pass out.
You need an ambulance?
Well, they ain't going nowhere.
You're not going out there.
Move your foot.
Hi.
This is the items that she had.
Yes.
What's your first name, sir?
Thank you.
What's your first name?
Trespass.
Barbara, what's your last name?
Hell.
Barbara Hale.
And this, the price.
Barbara, you got ID with you?
No.
No? Okay. That's alright. I got all this information here.
You got it?
I don't mind. You might help any with it?
No, absolutely.
Your female search
Oh,
right
you
back?
need to sign it.
So now we can bang it.
Yeah.
Can you sign that, Barbara? It's $74 worth of stuff you took. You can start right here. I don't make that decision, Barbara. See the camera? They can see what we can see. So if they decide to call the police, we're just doing our job. It's out of our hand.
Conceal?
Into that bag, yeah.
Out
All
the
of
front,
this.
out the front door? Or
Yep.
Who stopped it?
We both did.
But out front.
Yeah.
So Barbara, you're gonna get a copy of it. Is it your name? Leon. Leon. Justin. Harris. Harris.
Alright, good phone number for you.
267.
You can use the marshals.
I was gonna say, I'm right.
Oh yeah,
Mark
Marshall.
that one.
362
Yeah.
3952 or something.
Yeah, go ahead.
392, I was close.
I was gonna say, I make it really easy in this office.
Got it, thank you.
And you guys obviously want to prosecute?
Yeah, they are prosecuted.
Okay.
And you mind if I
It's out of our hand. Yeah.
Yep.
And this is a
Christina with the K.
criminal trespass.
She's in our thing.
Yeah, so you're not allowed to come back in our store. If you come back in here, they will prosecute you.
AFFOURCIT.
That was
good.
horrible.
I had to write it like 10 times in the report that I just wrote, so.
I'll find it eventually.
She's in there. Alright, can I see your belongings? I'm gonna put your keys in your bag. Can we have this?
And she got her trespass. too.
You gotta drop it.
This is-
It's not
Barbara,
going.
come
I'm
on.
gonna have you stand up for me.
For what?
Barbara, because you're gonna be placed under arrest. You need to stand up.
Why?
We're not gonna do this.
Why?
Barbara,
keep
I
in mind
need you
you
to
are on
stand up.
camera, okay?
Why?
You need to stand up.
Why?
Because you were placed under arrest for
Why?
shoplifting. This isn't a why game.
I did not go out the
Okay,
store.
let's go.
Come on, Barbara.
But I didn't
We're
go out.
standing
I
up.
didn't go out the
Barbara, don't
store.
make it harder than it has to be.
standing
But I didn't go
Stand
out
up.
the store.
Doesn't matter.
I didn't go out the store.
You passed all points of
I
sale
didn't go
without
out the
payment.
store. Y'all didn't tell me that. I
Yes,
didn't go out the store.
Pardon me?
I didn't go out the
Barbara,
store.
stop.
No.
Stand up.
No.
Come on, Barbara.
No.
You're 60 years old.
No.
We're not doing it.
Come on.
No.
Get up.
I'm
Come on.
about to pass out. I'm about to
Come
pass
on.
out. I'm about to pass out.
Give us your other arm.
We're not doing this!
Barbara, let's go.
Take me to the hospital now!
Come on.
Just roll over. You can get that arm back.
Take me to the hospital now!
Barbara, let's go.
No! Don't break in my arm!
Give us your arm.
No! You're breaking my arm!
Give us your arm.
No!
You want to get sprayed? Okay. You're gonna get sprayed. Barbara, you're gonna get sprayed. Give us your arm.
Great if you do not give us your arm!
Don't make it more difficult than it has to be.
Please, no! Take me to the hospital! Take me to the hospital, please! Take me to the hospital! Take me to the hospital, please! Take me to the hospital! Take me to the hospital! Take me to the hospital, please! Take me to the hospital, please!
Alright, stand up. Let's go.
Take me to the hospital! Take me to the hospital, please!
We can after. You need to stand up though.
Take me to the hospital, please! Please take me to the hospital, please! Take me to the hospital! Please take me to the hospital, please!
Come on, sit up. Sit up. You have to sit up. You have to sit up.
Yes, we can and we're telling you to sit up.
Take me to the hospital, please!
We will. We have to process you
Move your
first.
leg out.
Take me to the hospital, please! Please take me to the hospital, please! Take me to the hospital, please! I can't breathe! Please take me to the hospital! Take me to the hospital! Please take me to the hospital! Please!
We can after we get you processed.
Please take me to the hospital, please! Please take me to the hospital!
All right, ready? Come on.
One, two,
There we go.
Hospital!
There we go.
Take me to the hospital!
come on. We'll come back in for the stuff. We can get you there after we do everything. Where are my keys are?
Yeah, I got him.
My head is
Yeah, I bet it does it because you didn't let us put them on.
You made it so much harder than it needed to be.
Oh, my head.
All right, relax here. Relax.
Spread your legs for me. Okay.
I know,
need
hold
you to Spread your
on.
legs for me. This one needs to come out.
I know, it's gonna hurt. You gotta wait.
You got anything on you?
Yeah.
Is there a pocket on that side?
Tom,
That's right. Just got that way.
all right.
Come on.
Come on, Barbara. Come on. Sit your butt in first. Sit your butt in first.
Sorry. You have to
We'll
scoot up
adjust
more.
them. We'll adjust them when we get back to headquarters. Let's go. Come on. Barbara, sit in the car. Come on.
Come on.
You're an adult. We are. We're going to take you there.
Hand me your seatbelt.
Thank you. Here, I'll give you.
Yeah, we're code for. Hey, I'm gonna go grab all that stuff.
Thanks. You had to make it a lot more difficult than it had to be, and I don't understand why. She didn't want to come with us, and she fell on the floor, wouldn't give us her hands. I thought she was going to give us a hard time walking out.
She in here now?
She's in here, yeah. Thought she would give us a hard time walking out, but once we got her up off her feet.
No injuries? You good?
No, I'm good, yeah.
Okay. Alright. Courtney inside?
Rodolphius.
Do you know his name? Because he's newer.
What's his badge number? That's all I'm
248.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Made her life so much harder. Let me tell you, chair got thrown, the desk got thrown. For nothing. Nah, yeah, nah. Over nothing. Literally, like, threw a fit, dropped herself onto the floor between chairs and a table. He had to see how ready to roll.
194 out.
She also lied about her name,
What's her name?
or her birthday.
Make sure it's locked. Kia. Look, she was gonna get you back, bro.
I thought I ripped it out of her hands.
Yeah, because she kept holding on to it. I was like, give me your key.
So I ripped that and then ripped her bag out of her hands.
And then it just went down there. My man had the OCI, dude. I would have knocked you out. You sprayed that shit. I don't do
I
it.
was too close in there.
I was like, oh, this isn't gonna go well. He said like 8 times, like, you're gonna get sprayed, you're gonna get sprayed. And I was like, we better just figure this out hands on, bro. I said, we gonna solve this ourselves.
I didn't want to do it either. I never want to do it.
Yeah, I was like, if he sprays this, she'll drop, but I'm backing. Nah, she was fine. It was just gambling.
I know, she didn't want to
She grabbed the hold of the inside of her thigh, and then had this one forward.
How much?
Like $70.
It's not the end of the world.
$70?
Berber hair. She's definitely shoplifted before. I've had her before. Right? Over nothing. Now I'm going to POS or nothing.
I didn't want to. I never really wanted to.
No, because you know the pain, and then I never want to put them through it. I don't care what you do to me.
And also in this close quarters,
Yeah, we're all getting cooked
we're all
now,
getting
Sin.
it, so.
You would have been bringing me water, that's for sure. My man was ready to go. He had this out.
No way. No way.
242, I just updated the prisoner checklist. Everyone's looking.
Yeah, she's shoplifting on all these.
Yeah, all the time.
Come on, Barbara. You already know the deal.
Well, I'll hit him.
Alright. Alright.
Go ahead.
Yep.
178, I think the next shift comes at 3 for the county corrections. Can you give them another call and see where we're at? Yeah.
We need to bring you in first, okay? $248, Ewing.
248.
En route to 36 with one female under arrest. Starting mileage 1798.
5255.
I know.
I was like, mine for the head.
Because she was still fighting. Yeah.
After some struggling to handcuff the shoplifter, police charged her with shoplifting and resisting arrest. Please share your thoughts on this arrest and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.